Namaste. Myself Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we learn about 10th class lesson, subject social science. Lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is Climate of India. In this lesson we learn about the climatical conditions of India. Now let us see here the main objective of the lesson. First objective of the lesson is the differences between weather and climate. In generally, we use these both words, climate and weather, but a lot of variation is there. Come on, between that words. Come on, let us learn them. What are they? So first one is weather. Weather means what? See, I have written here. It is a short time record of. It is a short time record of a particular place which explains about that particular place: sunshine, humidity, temperature, rainfall. These things will explain in where? Here weather. Now come to here climate. So climate means what? Climate also same use here. It is a long time record of. It is a long time record of a particular place which tells about sunshine, humidity, atmospheric pressure, etc. I hope you have understand. I repeat here, see weather. Weather means what beta here? It is a short time record of. It is a short time record of. See, it is a short time record of a particular place which tells about see sunshine, humidity, atmospheric pressure, etc. That is called as what? Weather. Now what is that here? Climate. Climate means what here? It is a long time record of a particular place which tells about sunshine, humidity, atmospheric pressure. So these are the differences now that you have to understand. So question, we can frame a question like that. Come on, differentiate between weather and climate. So climate is a long time record which tells about a particular place, climatical conditions. Now, how many years are here? Long time is how many years? Above 30-year record. See here, 30-year government people, they record everything. That meteorological department, they record all these things. Okay, see here. Now focus here. The highest, can you say? The highest temperature will be recorded in a day. When it will be recorded? On, see here, it is the highest temperature recorded in a day is how much, by what time? 2 p.m. It will be recorded in where, Nana? 2 p.m. Afternoon 2 p.m. highest temperature will be recorded in a day. Come on, look at here. Okay, come on, next here. See, the lowest temperature will be recorded. When the lowest temperature will be recorded? Morning, early in the morning, 5 o'clock, the 5 a.m. This is okay, 5 a.m. It will be recorded as a, what is that? Lowest temperature will be recorded in a day is, that is 5 a.m. Okay, now come to here next objective is here climographs. What is meant by climograph? Climographs, we know some graphs. Okay, some maps we have studied the previous chapters. Now in your textbook, see here climographs they have given. Climo means climatical conditions. The graph which explains about climatical conditions. In that climatical conditions, especially this graph explains about especially rainfall and temperature. Rainfall and temperature. These both temperature. These both they explain. Who explain on a climographs? Climographs explain about rainfall and temperature. Okay, that things we learn. Okay, next objective of the lesson is factors influencing climate. Some factors are there. They are affecting on climate. What are the factors are there? That factors are very, very important. See, if we learn these things, you will earn 4 marks in your annual exam. 4 marks. Be careful. See here, land and see what are the factors of influencing climate. Some factors they are affecting on our climate. Come on, being an Indian, you should learn about your India's climate. India, come on, let us learn about India's climate. Come on, what are they? First one is, see, latitudinal factor. First one is what? Latitudinal factor. Then what is meant by latitude? As you know that the imaginary horizontal line which drawn, okay, which drawn on the globe, that is called as what? Latitudinal. The imaginary line which is drawn on the globe horizontally. It was written as horizontally. This is called as what? Latitude. Then what is the use of latitude? We can find a place. We can find a place on the globe easily. So that purpose we are drawing this type of latitudes that you have to understand. Okay, latitudinal. We will learn all these things in deeper. First, let us focus on how many factors are there. See, first one is the factors influencing on climate. First one is latitudinal factor. Second one is what? Land and water relation. This is also one of the factors. And next one is relief. Relief also is one of the factors. And next one is upper air circulation. So this is also one of the factors which are affecting on our climate. Come on, let us learn about one by one. See the factors. First one is what is there. See here, first one is the latitudinal factors are there. Okay, we focus. India, where India is existing. See, first one is here. We are focusing factors influencing climate. First one is, see, I am writing again, factors influencing climate. Where is India located on the globe? See, imagine this is the globe. Okay, India is existing. See, what are the latitudinal values of India? 8 degrees 4 minutes. 8 degrees 4 minutes. Okay, 8 degrees 4 minutes. Next, see India, where it is located now. See, okay, 37 degrees 6 minutes. This is what? See here, northern latitudes. These are what? Northern latitudinals. India is existing on the northern hemisphere, as you know that. Okay, so what are the latitudinal effect factors are there? See, what are they? See, 8 degrees 4 minutes. It is very closer to the equator, right? Equator. Then let me ask you, equator zone is affecting which type of climate? If you say that, I know that equator is getting what is the tropical climate. What is that? Tropical climate. That means tropical means what? Hot zone only. Tropical climate is nothing but hot zone. So that what you have to understand. Oh my God, our southern part of India is very closer to the equator. So that is why the southern part gets. See, what is that? Hot climate. That technical word you have to use. This region is receiving tropical climate. What is that? Tropical climate. What you have to say? Tropical climate. Come on, the Tropic of Cancer is passing through how many states, Nana? 8 states, as you know that. Okay, 8 states are there. Okay, like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, okay, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, okay, Tripura, Mizoram, and Gujarat. These are the 8 states. See here, see the Tropic of Cancer is passing through India. The values is what? 23.5 degrees. Okay, so this latitude is make our country a different climatical country. How the southern part is closer to the equator, so that is why here we can understand the tropical climate. The north part is existing where what is that? Temperate climate. That's all, that you have to understand. So this is what latitudinal factor. latitudinal factor which are affecting on our India. So that what we have to understand here, some factors are there which are influencing on our climate, that is latitudinal factor. Okay, Nana. See here we understand that India is existing in, see, 8 degrees 4 minutes northern latitude to 37 degrees 6 minutes of northern latitude. So the southern part is closer to the equator. So that is why we can say that this part is, the south part is hot type of climate, that is tropical climate, whereas north part of India is existing in temperate climate. Temperate climate nothing but just moderate type of moderate. Okay, Nana, moderate type of climate is existing. So we will learn in next video. This is part 1 only. Okay, we will continue to complete the objective of the lesson, Nana. Okay, beta. I hope you have understand. Thank you.